Sustainability is the foundation of a thriving future. That's why we, in the FOLUR Impact Program, are transforming landscapes, revitalizing food systems, and shaping a future where agriculture and nature flourish together. 2024 marked another year of meaningful change at both global and local levels. We expanded the FOLUR Global Platform's reach, strengthening our influence through deeper integration with core partners and World Bank initiatives. At the heart of this transformation was FOLURization, our process of enhancing or aligning existing programs with FOLUR's goals to maximize impact. We strengthened capacity needs assessments, essential for the successful delivery of country projects, and equipped country teams with the expertise needed through targeted training on restoration and sustainable practices. We also advanced critical dialogues to scale up environmentally sustainable production standards and investments, mobilizing both public and private sectors towards fulfilling their commitments. Building on the success of the 2023 coffee and cocoa-focused Africa Regional Dialogue in Nairobi, Kenya, we expanded our engagement in 2024 with a rice-focused dialogue in Hanoi, Vietnam. At the same time, we laid the groundwork for a wheat and maize-focused dialogue in Istanbul, Turkey, which took place in January 2025. In Hanoi, we discussed the future of low-emission rice, ensuring a balance between productivity, sustainability, and resilience for both people and the planet. So far, the International Finance Corporation has facilitated $503 million, scaling up private sector investment in FOLUR livestock value chains, thanks to IFC's practices for sustainable investment in livestock operations, driving measurable impact.
FOLUR operates at the landscape level, transforming food systems through country projects. Knowledge sharing is at the heart of FOLUR's mission. The Global Landscapes Forum is a powerful platform to amplify FOLUR's impact through events and campaigns. By connecting FOLUR to key global discussions like the UN Biodiversity COP16, we foster collaboration and solutions for a sustainable future.
As we continue making progress, FOLUR remains steadfast in building a resilient future, one where agriculture not only sustains people and the planet, but also drives lasting, transformative change.